manufacturing industry, industrial revolution, the use of machines, large scale, brought about social and economic transformation of Britain in 18th century. This transformation is termed as Industrial Revolution. It later spread to other European countries as well as the United States of America. These societies were transformed from primarily agricultural societies to industrial societies. Classification of industry. On the basis of source of raw material, there are four types of industries: agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, marine-based industries, forest-based industries. On the basis of size, industries can be classified into three chief categories: large scale, medium scale, small scale. On the basis of ownership, industries are classified into four chief types: public sector, private sector, joint sector, cooperatives. Industrial system. The industrial system includes all the operations, inputs and outputs required for undertaking manufacturing process. The inputs are like raw material, labor, cost of land, transport, power and other infrastructure. The outputs are the end products, sales and income earned. which is exemplified by iron pillar at Dhar in Madhya Pradesh and iron pillar at Mehrauli. Cotton textile. Cotton textile industry is one of the oldest industries in the world. The European used hemp and other crude fiber for making cotton cloth. Until the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, even their manufacturing, spinning and weaving was inferior to that of India. The 18th century Industrial Revolution resulted in many developments that facilitated improvements in cotton textile industry in Britain. Even after colonization of India, it is still continued to rely on other countries. India, China, Japan, and USA are important producers of cotton. Information technology. Information technology is today the fastest growing industries in the world. It concerns computers, telecommunications, and various other electronic media, including television and radio. The information technology takes into account some of the following important fields of information transmission and receiving: computer network, telecommunication, retailing and banking, other IT-enabled services.